we are dealing with pure arithmetic. You know, mathematics is the queen of science, and arithmetic the queen of mathematics. Understand the concept. Mathematics is the queen of science and arithmetic the queen of mathematics. You know who said this? Definitely not me. It's Carl Friedrich Gauss. So slowly you all will realize the beauty of mathematics, of arithmetic. So let's come to exercise 2D, question number 4, where we have direct application of unitary method. Where it's given that cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 325 and a half, while cost of 1/2 meter of cloth will be how much? So here they have given you the cost of 1 meter and they are asking you the cost of 3.5 meter. So naturally, when you apply unitary method, so cost of 3.5 meter will be rupees 325 and a half multiplied by 3.5 is equal to, when you change this into mixed improper fraction, you'll get 651 by 2, while when you convert this into improper fraction you will get 7 by 2. So let's multiply, and on multiplication of 651 into 7 by 2 times 2 you'll get 4557 by 4. Yes. You can also convert this into mixed fraction, where finally you will get the cost as rupees 11391 by 4. Okay. Let's come to question number 2D. Question number 5. Okay. In this question number 5 we have speed of the bus. You know, they have given you directly the speed of bus as 65.5 kilometer per hour. So you should know what actually this speed means. 65.5 kilometer per hour means the distance traveled by the bus in 1 hour is 65.5 kilometer. So when you have a speed of a bus as 40 kilometer per hour, this means, or if you are driving a motor vehicle at 40 kilometer per hour, it means that in 1 hour you can travel a maximum of 40 kilometers. So I can write this as in 1 minute, in 1 hour, distance traveled is 65.5 kilometer. Therefore, in 1/3 hour, definitely when the time is more, the distance traveled will be more. So distance travel will be 65.5 multiplied by 1/3 kilometers, which will give you 131 by 2, 65.5 multiplied by 3, 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, and when you cancel it, my dear, 2 1 times, 2 2 times, you will get 131 into 2 by 3, which on multiplication, simplification will get 262 by 3 is equal to 87 1/3 kilometers. When you come to question number 6, you have divide, isn't it? Divide. Here you need to pay attention, okay? You need to pay attention. Why? Because here we need to change multiplication into its reciprocal in division. Means if it's given 3 by divided by 3 by 4, so it will be multiplied by 4 by 3. Means the reverse. They have given you divide minus 20 by 9 by minus 5 by 9. So minus 20 by 9 is to be divided by minus 5 by 9, isn't it? So minus 20 by 9, when I'll divide this with minus 5 by 9, we cannot solve in this form. We have to change this division into multiplication, and when we change it, so we make the reciprocal of the divisor. This is your divisor, while this is your dividend. So the reciprocal of the divisor should be made. That is minus 20 by 9 multiplied by 9 by minus 5. One of my children, they asked me, sir, in multiplication, why are you not changing into standard form? So I have already mentioned it over there in the comment section, that in multiplication you needn't to do so. Only in addition and subtraction of rational number, it should be converted into standard form. Why? Because you cannot have a denominator in negative form while taking out the LCM. Okay. So here we have, let's cancel 9 1 times, 5 4 times. As I said, this minus will get cancelled and you'll get your solution as 4. Without any delay, let's start with 4. Okay. And I find that minus 7 divided by minus 14 by 5. What's over here is the same thing, that the divisor, once again I'm talking about, I am stressing on the divisor. This is your divisor which divides the number. So this should be changed into its reciprocal form. So minus 7 multiplied by, this division will change into multiplication, 5 by minus 14. Just you need to cancel them out. We have 7 1 times, 7 2 times is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. Let's come to 5 6 7 8. Okay, because I know, or they are remaining, you can do it, or they are very easy. Okay, So since we are carrying it on, I want you people to revise few sums so that it will be very easy for you people. Okay, 21 by 44 divided by minus 11 by 9. I hope by this time you will really repeat with me that 21 by 44 multiplied by 9 by minus 11. Okay, when you speak a language, it shouldn't sound foreign always. It means it can easily be conveyed to the others. Okay, now when I look at this sum, many child might get confused. Why? Let me bring a sheet of paper. Because here they would find that this 11 and 44 gets cancelled very easily. Similarly, they have a specific number by which they can cancel 9 and 21. If they do so, they will be totally wrong. Why? Because they have not converted the division into multiplication, and to do so, naturally they have to convert this into its reciprocal form. Okay, reciprocal form means if it is A by B, it should be B by A. So now let's see. I don't find that it will get cancelled, so naturally I have to multiply. So on multiplication, I'll get 21 into 9, 189 by 44 into 11 is equal to 484, and this minus automatically will come up. Finally it will come up. So we have minus 189 by 444 as our solution. Okay. In question number 7, this is in question number 7, what we have? Evaluate. Okay. Naturally, as you proceed, now you are feeling it very easy, but as you proceed, you'll really find that the level of sums are increasing, because we naturally learn the same thing but in a different way. Evaluate. And what are you going to evaluate? 3 5 by 12 plus 1 2 by 3 divided by, I should put this in bracket, 3 5 by 12 minus 1 2 by 3. So can you convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction, like 12 times 3 plus 5 by 12 plus 3 times 1 plus 2 by 3? That's so easy. Okay, divided by 12 times 3 plus 5 by 12 minus 3 times 1 plus 2 by 3. Okay, we have, when we solve this, what do we get? 12 3s are 36 plus 5 41 by 12. So here we have 41 by 12 plus 5 by 3 divided by 41 by 12 minus 5 by 3. Now do not convert this into its reciprocal form now, because you haven't reduced this into a single fraction. Only single fraction can be converted into its reciprocal form. Single fraction, only when it's single fraction. I hope this is not quite visible, but my voice might be audible to you people. So here we have, let's take the LCM of 12 and 3 as 12, and we have 4 plus, since this 12 denominator and LCM is same, we will be writing 41 over here, plus 12 divided by 3, 4 multiplied by the numerator. Okay, we are not changing any rule. Again, here is 12, 41 minus 4 into 5. Okay, so this reduces to 41 plus 20 by 12 divided by 41 minus 20 by 12, and once again it's 61 by 12 divided by 21 by 12. Now since they have I have reduced them to single fraction, now I can only change the divisor into its reciprocal. So 61 by 12 multiplied by this 12 into 12 by 21. Shall we cancel? Of course I should. And finally I get 61 by 21, which you people can convert it into mixed fraction as 219 by 21. Yes, 219 by 21 as your solution. Okay, come on, we are not going to waste any time, okay, because even you people start getting bored. In 2D question number 8, okay, they are talking about the product of two numbers. Product of two numbers means product of one number multiplied by, product of these two numbers, the first number multiplied by the second number, is equal to 14. And they have given you one of the number, minus 8 by 7, while the other number is missing. So I have taken it as x, and you need to find the value of this variable. And as I had said, that when you transfer one to the other, or it's better we say when you transpose, we use a word transpose. Shall I write over here? Transpose, Transpose, transposing. Okay, so when we transpose one of the number onto the other side of this equal sign, if it's in multiplication form, we change it into division form. 14 is already over here. This minus 8 by 7 went to the other side, therefore divided by minus 8 by 7. I picked it up and I kept it over here. So here we have once again the value of x will be equal to 14 multiplied by 7 by minus 8. See if it gets cancelled. So naturally if it gets cancelled, let me cancel. 2 4 times, 2 7 times, and here we have 49 by minus 4. Minus will move up. So here we have 49 minus 49 by 4. Minus 49 by 4 is your final solution. Okay, let's come to question number 10. Okay, and I find that it is somewhat easier than the first one, than question number 8 or question number 9. When you are talking about question number 9, is just the reverse, but in question number 10 we have cost of 6 articles. They have already given you the cost of 6 articles as rupees 26 by 17. Okay, now find the cost of one article. Cost of one article. So here what we see, that the cost of one article will naturally be less. Cost of 6 article is this much, so cost of one article will be 6 times less. This means 26 by 17, okay, it's not 26, it's 2 divided by 6. And as I said, this is the divisor, and this needs to be changed. The 26 by 17 multiplied by 1 by 6. This 26 by 17 is equal to 40 by 17 multiplied by 1 by 6. So 2 3 times, 2 times is equal to 20 by 51 rupees is your final solution. Question number 11 is also the same. When you come to question number 11, I'll just give you a format of it. Again, it's talking about the product of numbers. Okay, product of two numbers. And they say that if one of the product of these two numbers, in which one of them is minus 3 by 8, other we do not know, is equal to minus 9 by 16, and this number should be taken as x. I hope you can do it yourself. Say yes sir, yes sir. Here in question number 12, I find this is a bit important, okay? Because we generally test the intelligence of a child by giving this kind of sums in the examination, where we have minus 5 by 7 divided by x is equal to minus 15 by 28. In question number 12, they say that, okay, a number divides minus 5 by 7 to get a value minus 15 by 28. A number divides minus 5 by 7 to get the value minus 15 by 28. Find the value of this x. And you know, here x means x by 1. So first, please change it over here. You cannot transpose it over here, because if you would transpose this into onto the other side, this division would remain with x only, which would create lots and lots of confusion. So it's better you change this into multiplication form. Minus 5 by 7 multiplied by 1 by x is equal to minus. So let me repeat it once again. By what number minus 5 by 7 should be divided to get minus 15 by 28? As I said, please convert it into its multiplication form. So when I'll convert this into multiplication form, the divisor over here will change into its reciprocal form. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'll keep this 1 by x as it is, and I'm going to transpose this onto the other side. I'm going to transfer this minus 5 by 7 onto the other side. Therefore, minus 15 by 28, since this was in multiplication form, this will change into division form, divided by minus 5 by 7. Let me keep this as it is. Clear? So is equal to minus 15 by 28. Once again, I am going to convert this into multiplication, and it will be 7 by minus 5. Now, do you think that we shall solve it? Of course, this will get cancelled. 7 4 times, 5 3 times, and we get 3 by 4 as the value of 1 by x, not x. 1 by x will be equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, if 1 by x is equal to 3 by 4, then x by 1 will be equal to 4 by 3. This is your answer. If 1 by x is equal to 3 by 4, then x by 1 will be equal to 4 by 3. We are inverting both the sides and we call it invertendo in arithmetic. Okay, let's come to question number. Every time question. Of course, these questions are the problems which you face and you will be facing throughout your life. And this mathematics teaches that whatever problem we have, there is a solution to it. Even in your life, whatever problem you'll face or you'll get it will have a solution. Okay, a clean solution, a clear solution. Okay, provided you follow the path with consciousness. 7 equal pieces. See, they say that 7 equal pieces are made out of a rope of 21.5 by 7 meter. Okay, so 7 equal pieces are made out of a rope of 21.5 by 7 meter. This clearly means that the length of 7 pieces of rope, length of 7 pieces of rope is equal to 21.5 by 7 meter. Therefore, length of one piece is equal to automatically 21.5 by 7 divided by 7 will be 7 times less, not 7 times more. So is equal to 152 by 7 divided by 7 is equal to 152 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 7, because I am converting this division into multiplication. Let's solve it. 152 into 1 is 152 by 100. What 100? No 100, only 49 is your solution. Okay, you can also convert it into a mixed form, that is 3, 5 by 49 meter is your solution. Okay, now there's this child who asked me about converting into standard form. Okay, converting into standard form. What I would say is that for addition and subtraction, it is very essential. For addition and subtraction of rational number, it is very essential. But you may convert into standard form in multiplication, may not, because finally you will get the same answer. Clear? I said this is compulsory, while here may or may not, may or may not in case of multiplication. Isn't it? I am sure one day you will all have lots of regard for this subject as well. Okay, and as for me also. Thanks.